Protein is not the most important part of your diet, and I am so tired of seeing women spend all of their time trying to get enough protein in their diet, even at the expense of things that actually help to stabilize their gut bacteria, stabilize their blood sugar, like fiber, like vegetable fiber. When did we decide that we don't need vegetables? When did that happen? When did we decide that we only need protein and that you had to spend most of your time focusing on eating enough protein, otherwise you weren't going to make it through the day, you weren't going to build muscle, you weren't going to be able to lose weight, you weren't going to be able to play with your kids? Enough is enough. If you are only focusing on protein, you are missing the biggest nutrient that is a part of a human diet, and that is vegetable fiber. Without it, you will end up with a dysbiosis that plagues you for the rest of your life, that you end up having to go on drugs to fix, right? Traditional medical system is just going to keep putting you on some kind of drug to fix the issue that was caused by their advice to begin with. So listen, protein is great. I love it. I think everybody needs protein. But at the end of the day, if you're only eating protein, you aren't giving your body what it needs to function properly and long term. So I want you guys to know that what you're doing is great. I know there's a ton of information out there and it's really easy to get overwhelmed. Really, the problem ends up being that you're not getting the advice from the doctors who should be giving it to you. Here's what I want you to do. Go to the store and add some of these veggies to your cart, okay? Vegetables that don't count: sweet potatoes, carrots, peppers, onions, cucumbers, those don't count. Any other vegetable is going to be great. I always tell my patients, focus on cruciferous veggies, things like cabbage and Brussels sprouts and broccoli, and then anything else that's green and leafy. I've got a whole anti-inflammatory guide for you that helps to list a lot of these veggies that I want you to add to your cart. Go ahead and check it out in my bio. My name is Dr. Britnei. I'm your other doctor, and I help you to manage dis-ease from a root cause perspective.